What HVAC maintenance tasks should never be attempted without training? Tasks involving refrigerant, gas lines, electrical systems, combustion equipment, or major internal repairs should be left to a trained, licensed professional. Refrigerant work should never be done by guessing, because the chemicals can cause severe cold burns, eye injuries, or dangerous pressure changes, and handling them often requires certification. Do not open, recharge, recover, or move refrigerant lines without the correct tools and training. Electrical repairs are also risky because an air conditioner or furnace can contain high voltage even after the thermostat is turned off, so shut-off switches and circuit breakers must be handled correctly. Gas furnace repairs require special care because a small leak can cause fire, explosion, or carbon monoxide poisoning. Never adjust gas valves, replace burners, bypass safety switches, or change venting without professional instruction. Problems involving the heat exchanger are especially serious because cracks can let carbon monoxide enter your home, and this damage may not be visible during a quick inspection. A useful fact is that carbon monoxide has no color or smell, so a working carbon monoxide alarm is more dependable than your senses. You can safely replace filters, clear leaves from outdoor equipment, keep vents open, and gently clean accessible areas. But stop when a panel, wire, gas connection, or refrigerant tube must be disturbed. A common mistake is assuming that turning off the thermostat makes the equipment safe, so always use the proper disconnect and let a trained person handle electrical parts. Another mistake is adding refrigerant whenever cooling is weak, even though low refrigerant usually means there is a leak that must be found and repaired first. Some people also ignore unusual smells, soot, repeated shutdowns, or carbon monoxide alarm alerts. Leave the building, call emergency services when needed, and arrange a professional inspection before using the system again. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors message you with their estimates.